Yes, good question. It gets up to 410 degrees in 90 seconds, I lied earlier. And it is variable. There's an up and down. I think it goes up by 5 or 10 degrees. And
That's the only size you have?
No, we have one more. Yes. Hold your pants. All right, goes to Celsius and Fahrenheit if you change the setting, but you're good to go. Let's keep on going to the flat iron. Our flat iron has a titanium technology as well. And this is where I talk about titanium and why. Does anybody know why titanium? Why we love it?
It's not porous.
It's not porous. Dennis.
Oh,
man.
Dennis!
Holy cow, Dennis.
I love ceramics.
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 That in the room.
Ceramics are great. Ceramics distribute heat almost perfectly, but they're porous and they eventually build up product. And it's almost impossible to clean a dirty ceramic plate. Have you ever experienced that? Yeah. With titanium, I can wipe this guy clean every single time. The plates, if you are watching me, they're floating. So I can get a nice bend. I can get a nice curl with this iron if I want to. This guy gets up to 425, I believe. Yes. Thank you. And it also has an 11-foot cord. Digital readout with the controls on the inside of the iron. Everybody see that? So you're not manipulating the buttons as you're working through.
Why not 450? I'm just curious.
Because
They
the
all seem to
stars,
want that.
because the stars didn't work out that day.
Okay, I'm just, but you know how they are. Don't go to 450, I don't want it.
With the design and with the way that we requested it, I don't think the element would allow 450, okay? I can get the desired results I need with this iron without having it to be any hotter. I will say I have checked the temperature. It does get about 5 to 7 degrees higher sometimes than the 425, right? But it's not the heating element is a constant. It's not turning off once it hits the thermostat and then cutting on 15 seconds later. You're getting a static amount of heat the whole time. So that's creating a consistent style. You're not damaging the hair. So
and there is another reason, Shami family, they don't believe 450 because they feel over 425 hair start to burn. Even if you look at his father's company, they're all at 425.
Hamid did so good for like an hour and a half. That's a good
I mean,
point.
this is
It's
just,
true.
that's
It's true.
why they believe, they feel for the healthy hair. They don't want to burn the hair.
This is true. 450 is a lot of heat. I can achieve whatever I need at 400. Yep. Our next guy, this is one of my favorites, and then one of our newest. It's called our Wavemaker. Does everybody see the oblong shape to this? Isn't that pretty cool?
Nice.
Yeah.
At first, when I first saw this guy, I was like, this is a total gimmick, you know?
No, I love it.
So when I started using it and playing around with the heat, and I noticed it has a soft tip as well, that oval creates a natural, distorted, artificial curl pattern. So you ever use the curling wand that's perfectly circle, and then you have to like really manipulate that curl out so it doesn't look like curly Sue? Well, you can achieve more of a natural but yet artificial curl pattern with this iron. With our titanium technology, the curl is applied immediately, the heat is evenly distributed, and it gives you that beachy wave. Isn't that fun?
Yes.
This stays hot at my station all the time, just for popping a few curls here and there. I don't have to spray so much texture spray out of there to break that cylinder curl out. So this has been a really big success for us.
What technique was that?
I dry the hair, I spray it with some hairspray, I grab the hair, and then I'll wrap it around. And then I'll do it again. Yeah. I was being funny, but literally it's so easy.
I didn't notice.
No barbecue.
It's getting hot here.
It's Florida, you know?
So I don't necessarily have a specific technique. I just grab random sections. I don't like to make things so, cut
But
and
you're just
dry.
basically wrapping it around and then drying it.
Wrapping, holding, and that whole look of, not so polished of an end is totally fine. People are asking for that. It also comes with a glove. I don't personally use the glove. I don't like a glove. When I'm using hot tool, I can't foil with gloves on. That's just me personally. But this is a big one. All right. Let's talk about our travel dryer. Excuse me again, I'm turning my back on you. This travel dryer comes with a nice little carrying case. Okay. It's pretty strong for its size. It's cute, right? Watch this. It collapses. Isn't that cool? It is a very powerful blow dryer for its size and for a travel dryer. I've had some travel dryers that I've sold. I mean, it could blow out a birthday candle, right? This guy has a decent amount of power. It comes with a nozzle, and great for the holidays, I have to say. This one is 1,400 watts, which is pretty substantial for a travel dryer. Yeah. And it does come, like I said, with a carrying case. It does have our LED light technology that protects the heating element. LED is what it is. One nozzle attachment. This one is the one that has a 1-year warranty. I'm not sure why. Hamid could answer that. I'm pretty sure it's with the manufacturer and the size. It is dual voltage, so it has a converter on the side right here. Okay? So, that's neat, right? So this converter is very unique. As soon as you go through customs in any country, it senses the voltage of the country and automatically adjusts.
It's so cool. It's so cool.
It's total bullshit.
You are so full of shit.
I need to be on some info.
Yeah, I always go good.
That's your good.
It's rolling right now.
I love this travel dryer. I think it's great, and it's also $69.99, I believe.
Yep.
Yeah, so great.
All our tools are the same price.
All the
No
tools same price.
confusion.
No confusion. No.
Cool.
We do have a new iron, and I'm overly honest with my crowds. This is the first time I've seen it this weekend. It just came out. The concept is really, really cool. So it does have a contoured plate on the bottom, so it's like a half moon plate. And you notice the teeth on this side here, which is going to help direct hair into it without slipping out. So it's going to allow you to go to the base of the hair and create volume and smooth out the hair at the same time. Body by blow. Yes. It doesn't have a digital readout, but it has indicators of what temperature you're at.
Yeah, I don't think you have
It's not in
anything
your price
literature-wise
list yet.
on
Just
it.
came out and they
Okay.
sent one just to let you know what's going
Yeah.
on.
Oh yeah, I wasn't supposed to show you this.
Yes.
Sorry guys.
Of course not.
I'm sorry, Pete.
But he's just
Forget about
teasing. He's a teaser.
You did that yesterday too.
I did it yesterday too. I just get lost. So, whatever I said in the past 5 minutes, just forget about it.
A lot of flat iron curls to give that look, but clients can't do that on themselves.
That's right.
Amen.
So with this, they're going to be able to.
That's right.
So that's a
And you
sell.
can sell it. Totally. That's gonna be a great seller.
A natural, artificial curl pattern. Doesn't that sound weird?
Mm-hmm.
Artificial. What is that? What is it?
Artificial means not
Beachy hair.
real, so manipulated with a tool.
She has
You
great
know, it's that
He
girl
didn't
that you're
notice
seeing on
either.
Instagram.
I've never
Yeah,
used that
impressive.
term in this industry at all, ever.
It's that girl that they're seeing on Instagram. That
Yeah.
when they do
So-
it home, they look like they're going to prom.
Kim's hair, is it naturally curly?
Oh, it's fine.
That's
I
got a little bit
expect
of.
it.
Yeah, Kim's hair is naturally curly, right? If I wanted to make Jan,
Oh my gosh, got it.
Got it.
Friend,
if I want to make Jan's hair curly, I have to create an artificial curl.
Artificial curl.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
A not
We call
Not
it
real.
See, that's
faux
easier
curl.
to do your
Faux curl.
faux curl.
Fox
than a
curl.
real curl.
Okay, let's talk about the perfect shower cap. For about 1.5 years, 2 years, this was our top selling item. Do you believe that? No. It's called our perfect shower cap. This,
I believe everything you say.
thank you. Wish everybody did. Our perfect shower cap sells extremely well to non-BlowPro accounts, to Aveda accounts, to any open house because there's no conflict of interest. When you demonstrate this product, you have to do exactly what I'm doing, and it will sell by the dozen. You can put it on if you want to.
That'll sell it.
That will sell. But when I demonstrate this, I said, ladies and gentlemen, this is our
Get you
perfect.
arrested either or.
Get your attention. This is our perfect shower cap. It is the last shower cap you'll ever buy. It is extra large, has a strong elastic band, and it's terry cloth lined.
Nice.
As much as I don't like telling people to smell stuff, I don't like telling them to feel it. Hey, feel this, you know? So I always just like offering it to them. Say, check this out. Look, it's terry cloth lined. If you hold it to them, they're gonna feel it. Wow, it's amazing. So what does that terry cloth mean?
Keeps the hair from getting wet.
So if you're in the shower and you happen to get some moisture in your hairline, that terry cloth is going to take care of it. It's washable and reusable. My wife has had hers for a few years now.
Why you not buy her new one?
What's that?
Buy her a new one.
Buy her a new
It's
one?
cheap.
I can tell.
It buys houses.
Frugal. I'm very frugal. So, terry cloth line, I like to wash and reuse it. So it's an environmental thing too. You know, you're not wasting plastic. You know, you're not killing little baby whales with all the plastic island. You're using your shower cap. What's that?
You drink with straws.
I do not drink with straws because they're awful for the environment. Yep.
And they give you wrinkles on your lips.
I know. I drink my vodka straight out the bottle. Neat. Yep. Just in case you forgot what I just told you, there are fun pictures in the back of the packaging, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great item to be coupled with our amazing dry shampoo. Apply the dry shampoo with the shower cap, you're good to go. Okay. How's everybody feeling about that?
Buy your dry shampoo.
This retails for
$69.95.
$19.50. I have one item I want to demonstrate without it being here. So I'm going to pretend like it's here, but it's really not. Anybody heard of click and curl? You like click and curl, okay. You never used it before. So click and curl's in your little magazine here. It's like somewhere in the beginning. You ever see this? These images here in the magazine? It is a round brushing system that will sell like no other round brushing system you've ever had. So when I started doing blowouts, like legit blowouts, I would do round brush setting. Has anybody ever heard of round brush setting? You ever seen people leave round brushes in their hair? And the handles would be so heavy that eventually the stylist would be holding their head up because they got 4 brushes in their head, right? So imagine, anybody ever seen this brush before? Look a little familiar? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So imagine if I had this brush and the handle was removable.
That's fabulous.
You could leave it and go.
That's fabulous.
With BlowPro's Click and Curl exclusive, the barrel of the round brush, please listen if you haven't listened to me all day. The barrel of the round brush is pink, but once it heats up, it turns white. Now once it cools down, guess what it does? It goes back to pink. What this does for your younger stylists that are learning about setting hair, they know when they can remove that barrel because it's cooled back down, it's pink. Right, isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah.
I am so sorry I'm not here to demonstrate it for you because it is a wow factor when it comes to cold calling or pitching it to a salon. The system I don't use on every single client, but I still use them day to day. And the handles are all interchangeable. There's 3 different sizes. There's a small, medium, and a large. And like I said, it's a ceramic barrel brush that can be used with one handle, multiple sizes. Is that pretty cool and exciting? Yeah, I think so. It's like that used to be on their own, but now we've partnered up with them in the past 1.5 to 2 years because it just conceptually works really well. So what you have as brush system is a round brush, a detangling tool because you can brush through the hair, and a hot roller all in one.
There are a lot of salons in New York, they retail more than they use themselves even, because consumers, they like to buy it.
Well, recap a little bit of the day. We talked about the concept of BlowPro. Everybody understands that, right? PK was okay? Not too boring?
Slightly.
Everybody slightly boring, not too boring?
Slightly.
A lot of
South
poop, a
Carolina.
lot of fluff.
Lot of fun.
We talked about our tools, our titanium technology, how they're applied, their 11-foot cord, their selling points. You've got some hero products that you can open up doors with, right? Textile, faux dry shampoo, our blowout spray. We talked about our brushes, and then, I mean, I hope to see you guys in the future, but if you guys don't mind, I'm gonna close this little presentation and say thank you so much for your time. I hope I didn't freeze everybody out in here, and hope to get to see you soon.
Just,
Right on time, too. Good job.
Hey!